Gotta love when it comes down to refurbing technology, getting things for donations, cheap or free, and making them work better. This Alienware should be a fun one too. That's a fractal focus or fractal focus power supply. I don't know what's inside of it yet, but all the rest of this should be really nice to fun to play with. That's an i7 7700K. And then I also got a 32-inch IPS monitor. It's power cord. Probably end up tearing into all of this just to see what it is, tearing it all down and then building out what I think I should build out. This one's gonna be the insane one. Because this, I believe, is original Alienware. Some small monitors that might still be useful. Random keyboards that probably don't work. Yeah, fun days. And some minor repairs for a CPU slot. That shouldn't be too hard, hopefully.